What's good, YouTube? Welcome to another video. I welcome you all traders to this channel whereby we get to keep our conversation 100%, where we get to talk about some of the challenges that we are facing as traders. And in this video, guys, I want us to get to talk about why working hard doesn't guarantee you results in trading. This is could be a controversial conversation because the society all along has been teaching us in order for you to get results, you need to show some serious hard work. But this is not something that I apply in trading. Myself, I've struggled for this for the past 2 years and a half because it took me so long to change that mindset. Because it has taken me so many years being wired this way, and of course, you before you come to realize that these are mindset that you need to change in order for you to see some results in trading. In most cases, it usually takes a while. And of course, I'm sure for those unprofitable traders or struggling traders, this could be something that they are really having a difficult time, of course, to figure it out, and of course, to align yourself as per the trader's mindset. So, as I said earlier, remember, working hard doesn't guarantee you results in trading. I'll be looking into some of the factors which enforces what I'm saying, as well as I'll also be showing you what you need to focus on in order for you of course, to start seeing some consistent payout in trading. Myself, I've been trading. This is almost my third year in trading, and I've been profitable for the past 6 months. And these came after I got to a point whereby I started changing my mindset. So when it comes to trading and working hard, you need to understand hard work doesn't necessarily results to more profit, and the reason for that is because you might by working hard in trading, it means you will be more engaged into the market. Maybe every single day you're taking maybe 10, 30 trades a day, which is defined as by the society as hard work. By taking these so many trades per day, remember, you are exposed to making more and poor decisions. More of you get to find yourself you're also making those emotional decisions, which is very bad when it comes to trading. So by working hard, you end up taking more trades, which is an inappropriate in trading. So what I would suggest, guys, you need to make sure that you don't focus on taking more trades. You should instead focus on high quality setups. And for that case, we usually talk about the A plus setups. Every trader have their own A plus setups, which you get to come up with them after you get enough statistical data and sticking with one trading strategy for quite some time, so that you get to see the probability of that trading setup. This is something that I may find so many people get to struggle because uh, there are those people who tend to feel more comfortable trading as a group. But the problem that comes with trading as a group, if you are the group is made up of people who are trading different strategies, trust you me, as an individual, you might find yourself maybe you're struggling with decision making. Your friend is telling you the setup is not yet ready, but according to your strategy, it could be ready, or it could be what you have been looking for. And for that case, you should execute without hesitation. But with the group influence, you might find yourself even skipping trades that you are in a position to catch them, and of course head to your take profit. So when it comes to working hard, it means taking more trades, and this is not what you should be focusing on trading. Instead, focus on high quality setup. So the other thing you also need to understand is that the market doesn't reward hard work. Instead, the market rewards patience, as well as it also gets to reward things like discipline, being patient. You wait for that setup that I usually wait for, and of course, that way you'll find yourself cutting out unnecessary losses. While when you're in those A plus setups, you need to make sure that you get to allow the market to play out all the way to your take profit. Like for instance, this week I took a trade on BTC, and it took me around 3 days, since I'm a swing trader, to wait for that trade to hit my TP. But I've been training myself over a period of time now to be waiting. Once I get into any trade, I have to commit. It's either it hits stop loss or it hits TP. This way, it gets to give me room. In case it gets to head my direction, I'm able to recover my losses and, of course, get to have a good winning rate. Also, when it comes to trading, guys, you need to focus on quality, not quantity. By quantity, it's the number of trades that you get to take every single week, every single month, but that doesn't matter. For instance, for me, earlier I was taking around 2 trades every single day, but now I have narrowed it down to 2 trades a week. And for this case, it gets to give me the ability and the power to wait for only high quality setups. For instance, as I said, I took 1 trade this week, days on Wednesday. I'm not planning to take any other trade this week until next week. This way, I'm in a position to take only high quality setups, and I don't feel that fear of missing out. I get to take my trades with less emotions, and of course, I get to have a clear view of the market. Also, you need also to make sure that you make sure you keep your emotion in checks. These are things like you do come into the market greedy, wanting to make more money overnight, as well as when that A plus setup comes your way, do hesitate to execute, or you're just in that loop of feeling like you could go into a loss. And this is something that you can get to change by risking an amount of money that you're willing to let go. You should make sure that you have proper risk management in order for you to eradicate that aspect of fear. And of course, last in our list is about, guys, you need to make sure that you have discipline and, of course, have patience as a virtue. If you get to fail those to have those two things, trust you me, guys, it doesn't matter how long you've been trading, you'll always be finding yourself falling back and, of course, making more losses, blowing accounts back to back. You need to have the discipline, guys, to follow your rules, and of course, you need to have the patience to make sure that you can get to wait for the market to come your way, and of course get to meet your rules before taking any trades, which is something very, very important for you to have in order for you to see results. That's it, guys. It's very, very important, guys, that if you're a trader out there, just go ahead and talk to me in the comment section. This is a channel whereby we get to share, we have conversation as traders, problems that we are facing in the market, and of course we get to feel like we have a team and people around us that they have the same mindset, facing the same problem, and it also gets to give us the power and that encouragement to keep moving forward. So you can just go ahead, if you found the video valuable, hit that subscribe button and talk to me in the comment section, as I would really, really appreciate. See you in the next one.